seems like I'm out of people.
If you see very well, you can see that this question is from bearing and distance, right? And then, like I usually tell you guys, Abby girl, please don't disturb my class. Sit down. Please sit down. Okay. Like I usually tell you guys, for you to understand a topic, apart from mathematics, even chemistry, physics, and other subjects, for you to understand a topic, you have to understand the basic concepts. You have to know the concept of that topic. Once you understand the concept, everything is easy for you. Okay, now let's see how we can solve this question. Now, okay, solution. The question said, three ships P, Q, and R are at sea. The bearing of Q from P is 030 degrees, and the bearing of P from R is 300 degrees. Now, if PQ is equal to 5 kilometers and PR is equal to 8 kilometers. Now, here's the question. Said, illustrate the information in a diagram. Now, this said, two questions said, calculate correct to three significant figures the distance between Q and P. Now, the first question said we should illustrate the information in a diagram. Now, how do we illustrate the information in a diagram? You know, when you are drawing your diagram in bearing and distance, always start from the north and try to move in an anti-clockwise direction. Because if you are representing an information and you move anti-clockwise, you are bound to make a mistake. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Now, it's like three sheets. We have P, we have Q, and we have R. And it said the bearing of Q from P is 03 degrees. Okay. Now let's say this is our point P. Let's say this is our P. Let's say this is our P. And this is our, for convenience's sake, please try to, indicate your cardinal points for convenience's sake. Alright? Okay, let's say this is our cardinal point. Now, they said the bearing is on 03 degrees. We all know this is 30 degrees. But include the 0 so that the examiner don't penalize you. You understand? This is our north, this is our south. But we don't know where exactly is 30 degrees. So let us say we know that from this point to this angle is 90. From this point to this point is 90. But because we don't know where exactly is our 30 degrees, let us say our 30 degrees to fall around here, somewhere here. Then your cardinal point. Yes. Q. Now this is our Q. Right. Because it said the bearing of Q from P. Now, for you to get the bearing of your Q, you must start from P. Now, English, understanding the interpretation of the question is very, very important. Now, this is why I know most of you say English is not important in as a science student. You don't need English. My dear, you need English here. It's very, very important. You understand? Okay. Now this is our P, this is our Q. Let's say the bearing is 030 degrees. Alright? Okay, now. And then it's and the bearing of P from R is 300 degrees. Now we don't know where our S, our R from. Because No, this is 300 degrees. You understand? Just now, from here to here is 90, right?
This the P is not the.
No, I'm trying to understand. Okay, I'm trying to explain how you can get your R. We have gotten our P, we have gotten our Q. We want to get our R. So, but we don't know whether we should go up or we should come down. That is what I want to tell you. I want to, I'm trying to explain. Now, from here to here is 90, right? From this place to this place is 180. From here to here is 180, right? From this place to this place is 270. And then back to this place makes it a complete circle, which is 360. Okay? Now, this is 300. Here's this. They say from bearing of P from R is 300. But if we said we should take it from here, it means by the time we get to R, it will fall around the okay, now this is what I'm saying. If we take it from here, from here to here is 270. If we take it from here, we have it will fall around them. It will fall at between this one is from 90, 180. It will be like something 165 or 160 to 165. Wow. But remember, our bearing is 300. We are looking for 300 here. So automatically we cannot take it from this direction. So now let's try to take it from here. If we try to take it from here, we have something. Yeah. Then your cardinal point. Start your knots. Yeah. Okay, now this is our point R. Now this is from here to here is 90, from 90 to here is 180, from 180 to here is 270. Now it means our 300 for somewhere here. For somewhere here. From this okay. Yes, it's for somewhere here. Let's say from here. Okay, from this point like this to this place is our 300 degrees. So now this is the remaining 6 degrees that's left. Okay. So now we have okay. We've located our bearing. Let's join this point and this point. Yeah. To have our correct triangle. Okay. Now we are not done with the question yet. Now they said if PQ is equal to 5 kilometers, this is our P, this is our Q, is equal to 5 kilometers, and PR is equal to 8 kilometers. PR 8 kilometers. Okay, now we are done with our question number 1. So they said illustrate the information in the diagram. Now this is our question number 1. And then we're going to represent here, this place to be X because we don't know our distance, right? Now, if you look at this diagram very well, you will discover, you notice something that the distance, my distance from P to Q is a bit shorter than P to R. Now, don't forget, when you are illustrating an information in the diagram, try to, if you see it, you see that 8 is longer than 5. You understand? But try to make sure your diagram corresponds with what the question is saying. Okay? Alright, good. Now we are done with our question number 1. We are going to 2. Now it says calculate correct to 3 significant figures the distance between Q and R. Yeah, our distance, we know our distance from P to Q, which is 5 kilometers, and we equally know our distance from P to R, which is 8 kilometers. But we don't know our distance from Q to R, and that is what we are about to find now. Alright. let's try to, do some things, now let's try to do some oríṣiríṣi kìíní kan. If you look at this angle, if you look at this is 30 degrees, this can be 30 degrees. Now, in mathematics, we know that alternate angles are equal, right? Now, because this place is 30 degrees, this place is automatically 30 degrees because they are alternate angle, and alternate angle are equal. Now, if you look at this place, if you look at this point, now this is from here to here is 90. When you subtract 30 from 90, you have 60, right? Now this place is 60 degrees, right? Now this is from here, your point R, from here to this place is 300, right? It's 300. Now if you subtract, okay, no, this from this place, from this point to this point is 90, right? 90, and we said that this is someone please let me talk about it. Okay. Okay, well, okay. This is not part of our question, so okay, for our time's sake, it's not part of our question, so let's leave it and go straight to what the question is saying. Okay, now we want to look for our distance now. Now, in mathematics, when you have a triangle and two sides are given, and you want to look for the third side, what you need to use to get your third side, is well, you can use many methods, but the best way I would choose to use is Pythagoras theorem. You understand? And we all know our formula for Pythagoras theorem is c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared, right? Now let's try to represent it with our letters, with the letters we are using here. Now we said we are looking for PQ, right? Sorry, it's QR. So our PR squared is equals to PQ squared plus PR squared, right? Now we said, what's our PQ? We have our PQ to be 5 kilometers, which is 5 squared plus 8 squared plus 8 squared. Now 5 squared, we know 5 squared is 25 plus 8 squared. This should be 64, right? Yeah. Let's be accurate. 8 squared. Yeah, 64. Yeah, 8 squared. Yeah, 64. Add them together, you have 98. PR squared is equals to 89. Yeah, equals to 89. Now to get rid of this square, you have to square both sides. Square the 89, then you have your answer. Now doing that, you have PR is equals to square root of 89, and square root of 89. Okay, PR is equals to 9 should calculate to 3 significant figures. Now, how to have a 3 significant figures? We said PR is equal to 3 significant figure 9.43 kilometers. And this brings us to the end of our class. This brings us to our final answer, rather. So this basically all we have to do. Yeah. At this point, we shall call it a day, hoping that when we come tomorrow, we'll continue. Alright, understand? So is there any question? Is there any question? Are you confusing?
No, ma'am.
Anyway, okay. Thank you for having me. See you guys tomorrow.